Hey guys, Raider here. Hope you're all doing great and having a fantastic day. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing and taking a first look at the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Here's the thing, it's going to take a lot to dethrone the Buds Plus as being like the most comfortable IEMs I've ever worn. Let me put these in my ears real quick. Yeah guys, let me show you what it looks like in my ears. These are the Buds Plus. They feel great. Like these are like the best fitting earbuds I've ever used, ever. And as far as the best sounding ones go, Jabra Elite 75Ts. I actually exchanged my Sennheiser Momentum 2 true wireless earbuds for these. I actually prefer these more. My studio headphones, Beyerdynamic DT770 Pros. And for around the house, when I really want to kick it up a notch, Sennheiser Momentum 3. These are over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones, and these things will just blow your mind. The sound quality is absolutely incredible. As a musician, I am a stickler for sound quality. It's very important to me. So these Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, they have some high expectations to live up to. All right, without further delay, let's go ahead and get them unboxed. We're gonna get it hooked up to the Wearable app, and we're gonna test out the audio and the fit and all that good stuff. But let's get them unboxed first. All right. We have one on this side too. Let me watch my finger here. All right, that should be it, hopefully. Let's see if we can get these out. Flip them around. All right, there we go. Nothing in the top. Let's set that to the side. Or is there something there? Hold on here. All right, that took an act of Congress there, but what do we have in here? Just some books and stuff. Blah, blah, blah. Usual quick start guide, no big deal. We'll set that off to the side. All right, so here are the Buds Pro themselves in the box. We'll take this little packaging or wrapper off the side here. All right, that feels pretty nice. Let's get to that in just a little bit and see what else is in the box. So we have this little section here. Should be our little charging cord and stuff. Let's see. Indeed it is. In addition to that, we have some different size ear tips here. We're going to probably have a set of small and large. Let me get these out of here. Correct. Small and large. We're going to have medium already pre-installed on here. Just like with all the Galaxy devices this year, it comes with a super short cord. If I fold this together, I can probably still get it all on screen. Yeah, this can't be more than like 4 feet long, maybe 3 feet total. So super short cord, just keep that in mind. It is USB-C to USB-C, so that's good. Let's go ahead and set the ear tips off to the side as well. All right. I typically wear medium most of the time, so the default ones that it comes pre-installed with should fit my ears just fine. Let's go ahead and open up the case here. All right, so pretty secure fit here as far as how much it retracts back, the overall feel of it. Definitely stays closed well. You know, this case isn't undoing like this. That's nice. All right, the buds themselves, let's see. All right, they seem like they're in there pretty good. Let's see how the magnets are on there. Oh, okay. The magnets, not so great. Not so great at all. That's kind of a bummer. Hopefully I have these in here right. Okay, we got them back in the case. Let's go ahead and see how they fit. And the cool thing is over on my Tab S8 Ultra, I can already see Galaxy Buds 2 Pro connector close for the Bluetooth connection. So it's automatically wanting to pair up as soon as it finds a device. Let me put these in my ear real quick. Oh, wow. All right, so here's what they look like in my ears. I got to level with you guys. I am pretty impressed. I am pretty impressed with this fit. I noticed my voice sounds a lot more muffled, so they definitely have a nice tight seal, which should be good for the active noise cancellation. I am liking it a lot. They don't feel quite as secure as the Buds Plus. I don't expect that since they don't have wingtips. However, I am pleasantly surprised that they don't feel like too big, too gaudy feeling. You know what I mean? Too in your face, because that was a problem with the last Buds Pro, is that they just had that big bulky feel to them. These do not. They do not at all, actually. All right, guys, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm still in the process of finishing up setting up the Fold 4. So once that's done, I'm going to get these connected to the Wearable app, and I'll walk you guys through the Wearable app to see what features we have with them. And then we're going to do the mighty sound test. And believe me, I am a stickler for audio, guys. I will keep it real with you. I'll let you know what I really think of them. All right, let me get these all set up, and then we'll be back shortly. All right, guys, I am back. It's been a few hours. Let's see, it's A little after 11 o'clock, got the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro here on the wrist. I've already recorded all the beginning unboxings, and my intent was to do the Fold 4 unboxing first. But here's the deal, guys. I got everything set up on the Fold, got the watches set up, the Flip 4 set up, and then these came along. And here's what happened, guys. I turned on Spotify, I hit the play button, and now it's 3 hours later. I have a crap ton of videos to put out, and these things literally stopped me in my tracks. It's 11 o'clock. I started recording at like 3. I should have been done hours ago. And I'm now just getting back to this. This is going to be the first video I drop. And the reason being is because of all the devices that have come out in the 2022 Samsung Unpacked event. These are by far my favorite. Not even a close second. The Fold 4 is great. Flip 4 seems fine. The watches, they're all nice and dandy. None of them touch this as far as making the hairs stand up on the back of my neck and actually giving me that, I got my money's worth feeling. That's what these did. So let me tell you guys straight up, these things are loud, too loud for me. Like, I am not cranking them up. I am not trying to damage my ears. I've been playing music too long. I know better. They get extremely loud. And here's the kicker. I'm just going to go on the record and say it. I think as far as sound quality goes, I think this goes down to number 2. I think the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro actually beat my Jabras. I'm not joking, guys. These Buds 2 Pro are the business. Not only that, the features in the Galaxy Wearable app really make it a complete package, a real complete package. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to throw these in my ears. We're going to get the Galaxy Wearable app loaded up here on the Fold, and we're going to walk through it together. Let's take a look at this. All right, so we have the Galaxy Wearable app. Here you see Brian's Buds 2 Pro, 100% charge. And we have a lot of stuff going on here, guys. So we have our active noise cancellation, which I have going on right now. Let me turn that off so I can hear myself a little bit better. Hey, there we go. We have this awesome voice detect feature, which basically it detects when you have a conversation going on and when you start talking, and it'll automatically switch whatever mode you're on over to ambient sound, and it'll lower the volume. So you continue your conversation, and then it'll switch back to regular volume after 10 seconds. 360 audio with head tracking, if you want to turn that on. Not a big fan of that. I tried it out a little bit, but you know, whatever, it is what it is. You have all your normal touch controls, right? Tap, double tap, triple tap, touch and hold, double tap. We also have additional touch controls if we go into earbud settings, we go into labs, and then you have double tap earbud edge. This will let you adjust your volume by tapping on the right and left earbud. And let's go through all the different options in the earbud settings. We have the equalizer, all right, all the normal settings. I'm on dynamic right now. You have an earbud fit test, read notifications aloud. We have Bixby voice wake up, use ambient sound during calls, which is nice so you can hear everything around you. In-ear detection for calls, seamless earbud connection for switching between your Galaxy devices that are connected to the same Samsung account. You have neck stretch reminders, labs that we were just in, reset, accessibility, so you can switch a panning left to right, and your earbud software update. Find My Earbuds, you have your user manual. Like I said, we have our touch controls. There's no fine tuning for the ambient sound, but it does a pretty good job. So the app's pretty full featured, has pretty much everything you need. And like I said, it quickly switches between your devices, which is super awesome. But here's the kicker, guys. What it comes down to when it comes to these is the sound quality for me. We'll test the call quality during the full review. We'll go over all the specs during the full review. This is just the unboxing. First impressions. First impressions are absolutely great for this particular device. These earbuds are killer. So when we do the full review, we'll go over the call quality. We'll do all those type of tests. We'll go over all the specs. But right up front, guys, I can tell you straight up, these things are awesome. I am not disappointed at all. These are the most exciting device I've got out of everything. So if you've made it to this far in the video, I've got a brand new, completely sealed from Samsung, box of Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. You're more than welcome to it. This is open to everyone worldwide. Just drop a comment down below. I'll pick a winner in a week. This will be like the 5th giveaway we've done on the channel. Do them here once in a while. So and the way I will announce the winner is I will respond to your comment that you drop down below in exactly 1 week. I'll put a pinned comment on this video, and I'll also put a comment down in the description box to let everyone know who the winner is. I will not be doing any follow-up videos. I don't do that for giveaways. I always post back on the original video. So come back in a week, see if you got selected. And I'll tell you what, guys, of all the devices I've been playing with, including the Fold 4, these are my favorite. Don't sleep on these. These things are absolutely awesome. All right, guys, my initial first impressions, very good impressions of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. As always, thanks for watching.